Greetings everyone. Would you like to know some amazing apple cider vinegar benefits? Maybe you should try apple cider vinegar to clear some of your body problems like dandruff, smelly feet and discolored nails, just to mention a few. Apple cider vinegar is a common household ingredient with many proven health and beauty benefits. It's been used for centuries for medicine and cooking. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic, citric and malic acids. In 1958, D.C. Jarvis MD published his book Folk Medicine, a Vermont doctor's guide to good health, and widespread medicinal use of apple cider vinegar took off. Jarvis recommended apple cider vinegar as a cure-all, explaining that it was unusually rich in potassium. He said that mixing the apple cider vinegar with honey enhanced the healing power of the vinegar. Jarvis also wrote that apple cider vinegar could destroy harmful bacteria in the digestive tract and recommended it as a digestive tonic to be consumed with meals. Besides the beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar, it also has amazing health properties that help to kill bacteria and yeast in related conditions like acne, eczema, and dandruff. To get the best results with apple cider vinegar, you should only use the raw unfiltered version. The following are some of the beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. Prevents acne and pimples. As mentioned previously, that apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic, citric, malic and amino acid, vitamins, enzymes and mineral salts. These help prevent acne and pimples from forming. Apple cider vinegar also helps to balance your skin pH levels, which in turn prevents breakouts from erupting. How to use it? Due to its high acidity, apple cider vinegar should be diluted before it's applied to the skin. Here are some simple steps you can follow. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts water. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to use more water. Cleanse your face with mild face wash and pat dry. Using a cotton ball, gently apply the mixture to the affected skin. Let sit for 5 to 20 seconds, rinse with water and pat dry. Repeat this process 1 to 2 times per day. Additionally, use organic apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. This is the cloudy substance that typically sinks to the bottom of the bottle. It contains proteins, enzymes and beneficial bacteria that are responsible for most of apple cider vinegar's health benefits. For this reason, apple cider vinegar with the mother may provide more benefits than the filtered and refined varieties. 2. Works as a skin toner. Apple cider vinegar has high amount of alpha-hydroxy acids, which help your blood to rise up to your skin and soothe and exfoliate skin by boosting cell turnover. Once more, it's always a wise idea to use apple cider vinegar with water, as concentrated apple cider vinegar may disrupt the skin barrier leading to skin inflammation. How to use it? 1. Pour 1 part organic raw apple cider vinegar into a glass jar, bottle or container. 2. Add 2 parts distilled or filtered water. 3. Shake the bottle to combine the mixture. 4. Apply the toner to your freshly cleansed skin using a cotton ball or pad, avoiding the eye area. You can also pour some straight into your tub, a regular-sized bathtub. Add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar to warm water. Soak for anywhere from 15 minutes to 20 minutes to allow the protective acid to soak into your skin. This will help balance the pH levels of your skin, preventing it from becoming too oily or too dry. 3. Say goodbye to dandruff. Most common dandruff problems don't require you to visit a physician. Dandruff is a condition when your scalp flakes off dead skin and hair, which can appear on your clothes and skin after falling off your scalp. It's a very common condition in kids and adults alike, regardless of age or race. Apple cider vinegar can help kill fungus and germs and fight dandruff. It will also help with restoring pH levels within your scalp and clean hair follicles. How to do it and control dandruff. Although ACV for dandruff isn't scientifically supported, you may consider trying it based on the anecdotal evidence. To use ACV for dandruff, the University of California, Berkeley suggests the following. 1. Combine a half cup ACV with 1.5 cups of cool water. 2. Shampoo and rinse your hair as normal. 3. Pour the water and ACV mix through your hair. 4. Don't rinse your hair again. 5. Use conditioner if necessary. Along with helping with dandruff, it's suggested that this process will 1. Remove oil and dirt. 2. Balance your hair's pH. 3. Make your hair look shiny and feel smooth. 4. Soothe itchiness. Just as you should with any new topical application, stop using ACV if it causes stinging, redness, or itching. 4. How to cope with smelly feet. Have you ever been in a room where someone takes off their shoes and the feet releases an unpleasant and embarrassing odor? This can make people around that person uncomfortable. Good news is that apple cider vinegar can help with its antimicrobial property to get rid of smell from the feet by killing the bacteria that produces the smell. How to do it? You do what is called vinegar baths. Try soaking feet daily in 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water, and this will reduce the level of bacteria that causes odor. 5. Makes hair shiny, strong and healthier. Apple cider vinegar can help make your hair look strong, shiny and clean by freeing dead and dry skin from scalp. How to do it? To make your hair silky and shiny with vinegar, start by diluting 1/4 cup of white or apple cider vinegar with 1/4 cup of water, since vinegar is too strong to use by itself. Next, pour the diluted vinegar over your hair, massage it into your scalp, and smooth it into your hair from the roots to the tips. By applying apple cider vinegar, you're helping to balance the pH of your scalp and clear excess buildup, which gives you healthier, shinier hair. 6. Clears yellow stained nails. Stained nails can result from use of chemicals, smoking or dyes. However, there are also other infections which can cause nails to turn yellow, such as jaundice, diabetes, tuberculosis and fungal infections. When trying to get rid of nail discoloration, you have to be sure what has caused it. In the event that it's caused by non-infection, then you can safely use apple cider vinegar to bring back your nails to life. For any disease, you will need to consult your physician for proper treatment. How to get rid of yellow nails? A mixture of 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar makes for a good soak for your toes. Just soak your nails for 20 minutes, 3 times a day for 3 to 4 weeks to both fight the fungal infection and return your nails to their normal color. 7. Can reduce and get rid of cellulite. Cellulite is a common condition that makes skin appear lumpy, dimpled flesh on the thighs, hips, buttocks and abdomen. It's most common in women, and everyone wants to get rid of cellulite. Good news is that you can reduce and get rid of cellulite using apple cider vinegar because of its ability to tone your skin, eliminating toxins, and controlling excess water around the thighs and stomach. How to use it? Mix some water, 2 parts water to 1 part apple cider vinegar, and add a drop of honey. Scrub it in for about 30 minutes in part of the body that has cellulite, and finally, wash it off by using warm water. Now you have yourself a natural cellulite treatment. Enjoyed this video? Hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.